Hello everybody, Ali here, and this is trade number I think 10. Okay, I will double check that one in later. The gold is trading in a range and we are expecting a huge breakout. Okay, so that can be in any direction, so buying the mid of the range, and in case if price drops further, that will be trade 10 or 11 to trap those sellers one more time. Okay, stop is under you can say the bearish Skype spike, sorry. Okay, this is just morning. Okay, 21.2 in terms of target. We'll wait for a gap fill, and first I'm looking to take out at the highs of the range. So depending how much risk we will take on this trade, we will target the same reward, but for now I'm just putting it at the highs, and will exit at the range highs. Okay, so we have a couple of touches there. The price is ranging, we can see it in a clear. I'm expecting maybe one more push to the downside in case if it happens, okay, and then move higher, or they can go higher from here as well. Okay, but I'm expecting range highs and then maybe drive lower and then goes back up to the highs. So let's see how things goes. For now, look, everything is pointing higher. Okay, dokie. Remember, every time what I say is when you are trading ranges, we have to buy the low and sell the high, right? But why I am not selling the high and I'm buying? Because of the main direction of the trade. The main direction of the trade is bullish. Okay, the bias is bullish for gold. At the end of the month, let's say if we see gold somewhere between 40s, I don't mind it. Okay, so that's why I am looking to buy gold instead of selling the range highs. You can sell the exhausted move, okay, maybe if the price goes aggressively higher, okay, you can sell that move. But for now, everything looks good to be on the buy side. Account is set. Just made sure if I'm taking this one in the challenge account. So you can say a wedge, because none of the candle is able to close under this rising support. Breakdown on gold, testing our second entry filled on gold. Okay, so we have two entries now that will put our average position at 23.3. Okay, nice continuation from the sell side. Okay, let's see if the sellers are dominating this market and are able to close at the lows. That's what we want to see. We have one entry there, we have the second entry there. That will put our average position in the middle. Okay, sellers are still, we still have like 3 minutes and 45 or 44 seconds on this trade, on this candle, but we see especially there is also support, and the buyers are buying, or let's say maybe the sellers are taking their profit. But you can say the sellers are taking their profit, okay, because there was a spike, exhausted move. They break through the range lows, and then let's see if the candle is will close near the highs or near the lows. At this point of time, anything I say, you can say just I am just saying it, okay. So all depends on the close of this candle. If this candle is able to close at the lows, okay, I will believe the sellers. But if this candle is not able to close at the lows, I don't believe any sellers in this market then. Looks like a reversal on gold. A huge move to the downside, and look at this candle. A tiny close. we have support from here, from the lows to lows, okay, and then we have look at the candle close. Really, the candle is closing at what do you say, near the highs, okay. Still what do you call, sellers candle, okay. Sellers tried, but they have failed to defend the lows. They have failed to defend the lows of the range as well, okay. So they have failed, they succeeded in creating a new low of the day, okay. So now waiting for continuation from the buyers, because definitely there are buyers who bought into this move, and then that caused that candle to not to close at the lows but the highs. So now what's the plan? If this current candle ticks above the previous candle, that will make sense that the buyers are there. So from first point to second point, 1.3. Okay, this means 13 ticks. There you go. That's what we were expecting. A breakout, and we are testing the range highs. I am trying to take at least 2 or 3 more points. There you go, target filled. Just because they have created new low, expect a new high as well, okay, and measure that low move and then copy paste. We'll do it in the second lot now, okay. The first entry, the price dropped. We have second entry, we have support, so we were buying over there. In this case, they have created new low, okay, and then the price moved higher. It might go more higher or come back to the range lows, test one more time, and then it goes high. So we'll just move our stop loss to break even. I don't want to give anything back. I don't want to see the price coming back to the range lows and then goes higher. In case if it does, I will exit it there. So I will move this stop aggressively, okay, because a lot of buyers again, this candle have engulfed previous candles, all candles of the day, okay. So you can say all 2 hours just engulfed in just 5 minutes. So what is the plan for buyers? The buyers might have to wait for one more pullback. So this is what I was talking about. Copy this move, okay, that they break through, and then expect the same amount of movement to the upside, okay. So I'll just move accordingly, manually, or come on. So since they peaked maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 points under the range, expect the same amount of pips or ticks movement above the range as well, okay. So waiting for it. Let's see how things goes. Since the move is exhausted, it all happened in one candle. Okay, there you go, my stop hit. Since the move was done in one candle, 5 minutes, again that's exhausted. What happened to the sell side? All move done in one candle. Same thing happens when the buyers are there. They're ranging, okay. All of a sudden there's a spike, exhausted move. We will buy the exhausted move, okay. In this case, we were already in the trade because we were trading range, and then the price goes higher. So first entry, second entry, average position 1 to 1. The total risk on the trade that we took is 1 to 1. So we will at least target our reward, okay. So 2 trades on gold, average position 21 something, okay. Looking to exit everything on the range highs. I tried my level best, so the price goes higher, give us one more push, but it failed. And now exhausted move from the buy side as well, okay. So overall maybe 25 ticks on the trade for gold. At least I targeted 1 to 1. How much I have risk on the trade, that much amount I have to make it as well. So it might go higher, come back to the range lows, test the range lows, and then go higher as well. So we'll see how things goes, how the pattern makes, but hope you learned something. See you next time. Bye bye.